During the water cycle, water in rivers will flow down to lakes and oceans. So the water in lakes and the sea evaporates to form clouds at the top, which then rain down so the water reaches the top of a river. Thermal energy is provided to the water by the sun when it evaporates. The water vapour then cools and condenses, forming rain, which has a large amount of gravitational potential energy, so it falls to the surface. The water in a river is converting its gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy. So the water flows to the bottom of a river to return to the lake or sea. The gravitational potential energy at the top of the river is converted to kinetic energy in the moving water as it flows downstream. So is there a way that we can harness this kinetic energy? Hydroelectric power is the process of generating electricity using kinetic energy from rivers. This diagram shows a hydroelectric power station. The source of energy here comes from water, which has a high gravitational potential energy. The gravitational potential energy is converted to kinetic energy as the water flows downhill. The kinetic energy of the water is given to a turbine. The turbine can spin, driving a generator, which produces electricity. You aren't expected to be able to describe how the power station works in detail for your exam, but you should be aware of the basic idea and also the energy changes that take place. So where are these kinds of plants usually built? Hydroelectric power stations are usually built into dams. Hydroelectric power stations often use dams which store water in a reservoir. Water released from the reservoir can be controlled and can flow through a turbine to produce electricity. There are many economic and environmental factors to consider when building dams and hydroelectric power stations. So when building a dam, a new lake forms, and this can destroy the local environment. There are also lots of economic factors to consider. A dam is extremely expensive to build, however, it is cheap to run and has a large energy output. So what are the overall advantages and disadvantages of hydroelectric energy? The advantages of hydroelectric energy are that it's clean and renewable, so water always flows and there's no emissions. It's also reliable, also because water always flows. The disadvantages, however, are that it's very expensive. So it's extremely expensive to build and difficult to construct. It also impacts the local environment. So forests have to be cut down and sometimes people even have to move homes.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!